The end of a long day calls for something sweet to accompany your Netflix binge, and I have just the recipe for you. This healthy, edible cookie dough is grain-free, refined sugar-free, and made in one bowl. Hey there, I'm Molly Thompson from What Molly Made. Welcome back to my kitchen where we make good food that makes you feel good too. Today we are making a healthy, edible cookie dough recipe. Dip apples into it, roll it into little cookie dough bites, or eat it with a spoon. Add 1/4 cup of melted cashew butter and 3 tablespoons of melted refined coconut oil to a medium bowl. Refined coconut oil has a much more mild taste, which is what we're looking for in this recipe. If you're allergic to coconut, you could swap this for a quality vegan butter. Next, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/3 cup of pure maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 1 1/4 cups of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of arrowroot or tapioca flour, and stir that well to combine. The mixture will start to form a ball and pull away from the edges of the bowl. Dump in 1/2 cup of mini dark chocolate chips. You could also use chopped dark chocolate or chocolate chunks. If you're a chocolate lover, don't let me tell you how much chocolate you can use. Feel free to add as much or as little as you want in this recipe. Fold in the chocolate chips and you're ready to serve. There aren't any eggs in this recipe, so it's completely safe and healthy to enjoy raw. The texture is spot on to cookie dough, and we love rolling it into bite-sized balls to pop one at a time. Our daughter also loves this as a snack at the end of the day with sliced apples. My favorite way to eat this is straight out of the bowl. Nothing beats grabbing a spoonful of cookie dough out of the fridge at the end of a long day. Plus, you'll feel so good knowing that it's refined sugar-free, gluten-free, and grain-free. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. If you want to try another healthy dessert, check out these chewy, grain-free tahini brownies.